Welcome back to our educational channel. In today's video, we will discuss different methods of instruction, ranging from large group methods to individualized approaches. Let's dive in. Let's begin with the large group method, where the focus is on the teacher delivering information to a large number of students. One common example is the lecture, where the teacher imparts knowledge through spoken presentations. Lectures are often used to introduce new topics or provide in-depth explanations. Another method in the large group category is team teaching, where a group of instructors collaboratively teaches students. This approach allows for diverse perspectives, shared expertise, and interactive learning experiences. Television or video presentations are also utilized as a large group method. These audiovisual resources provide engaging content and can be an effective way to supplement classroom instruction. Moving on to the small group method, this approach encourages active student participation and collaboration. Group discussions, seminars, and panel discussions provide platforms for students to share ideas, exchange opinions, and critically analyze information. Brainstorming is another effective small group method that stimulates creative thinking. It allows students to generate and share ideas freely, fostering a supportive and collaborative learning environment. The project method or project work involves students working together on a task or assignment, applying their knowledge and skills to real-world scenarios. This method promotes problem-solving, teamwork, and practical application of concepts. Tutorials, case studies, and role plays are additional small group methods that engage students in interactive learning experiences. Tutorials provide individualized guidance and support, while case studies and role plays encourage students to apply their knowledge in simulated or real-life situations. Moving on to individualized methods, these approaches cater to the unique needs and pace of individual students. Tutorials, assignments, and project works allow students to work independently, exploring topics in depth and demonstrating their understanding. Programmed instruction is a self-paced method that provides students with instructional materials and activities designed to guide their learning step by step. This method allows students to progress at their own pace, reinforcing their understanding before moving forward. Computer-assisted learning and interactive learning leverage technology to engage students in personalized learning experiences. These methods incorporate multimedia resources, interactive exercises, and adaptive feedback to support individual learning needs. Open learning is a student-centered approach that provides flexibility in terms of time, place, and pace of learning. Students have the freedom to choose their learning materials and progress through the content at their own speed. Lastly, the heuristic method encourages students to think critically, discover knowledge, and make connections independently. This method emphasizes problem-solving, exploration, and self-directed learning. Additionally, we have PSI, which stands for Personalized System of Instruction. PSI is a self-instructional method that combines individualized materials, mastery-based learning, and frequent assessments to support student progress. Each of these methods offers unique advantages and can be tailored to meet the specific learning objectives and needs of students. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into different methods of instruction, from large group approaches to individualized methods. Remember, the choice of method depends on the subject matter, learning goals, and the needs of your students. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.